Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to insert radar onto your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your presentation, select the Insert tab up at the top. You want to go select Chart, select Radar over here on the left, and then select what type of formatting you're looking for, and then select OK. And then you can start modifying the data as you see fit. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.